Steam freezing right after a Windows update is a common issue that happens because of broken compatibility settings and background processes. In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem without reinstalling Steam. First, go to your desktop and right-click on the Steam shortcut. Click on Properties. A new window will open. Now go to the Compatibility tab at the top. Inside this tab, you might see options like Run this program in compatibility mode or Run this program as an administrator. Make sure all these boxes are unchecked. Next, click on the button that says Change Settings for all users at the bottom of the same window. Do the same steps again, uncheck everything. Then click Apply and click OK. Now close that window. We will disable background programs that load with Windows and interfere with Steam's startup. Click on the Start button and type Task Manager. Open it when Task Manager opens. Click on the Startup tab at the top. Here you will see a list of programs that start automatically with Windows. Look for any programs related to overlays or game recorders. Right-click on each of them and select Disable. Now close Task Manager. Restart your computer to apply all changes. After restart, do not open Steam from the shortcut. Instead, open File Explorer. Go to Local Disk C, then Program Files x86. Then open the Steam folder. Scroll down and right-click on Steam.exe. Select Run as Administrator. Wait a few seconds. You should now see Steam start normally without freezing. And that's it if this helped you. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.